The question says simplify this fraction. So we have 3.5 minus, in the brackets we have 2 whole number 1 over 3 times 1 over 4 plus 3 over 5. So how do we simplify this fraction? Solution. Okay, so for 3, whole number 1 over 2 minus, in the brackets we have 2 whole number 1 over 3 times 1 whole number 1 over 4, okay, plus 3 over 5, okay. So when we look the rule of BODMAS, we have to work in the bracket first. So let us solve everything in the bracket. So we look at the bracket, we have a mixed fraction multiplying the mixed fraction. So let us convert this to an improper fraction. So for 2 number 1 over 3, to an improper fraction, we multiply this with this. So we have 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7 over 3, okay. And for this, we have one whole number, 1 over 4, okay. So an improper fraction, what do we have? 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1, we have this as 5 over 4. So here we have this as, so we can, and for the mixed fraction, which is 3.5, when we convert this, so we have 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1, 7 over 2. So let's replace this to 7 with 7 over 2, okay, minus. So in the brackets now, we have 2 and 1 over 3 as 7 over 3, okay, times, we have this as 5 over 4, plus 3 over 5, which is this, okay. So let us resolve the bracket. So here we have 7 over 2 minus. So when we look at the bracket, there's nothing to divide. So what do? We multiply out. So we say 7 times 5. So we have it as 35. Divide 3 times 4, we have it as 12. Okay. Plus 3 over 5. Now that we have simplified the bracket, so what comes next is addition in our BODMAS. So for addition, what do? We add this to this. So we have to rearrange. So we can't add this today because it's affected by the negative sign. So let's take this. So we have 7 over 2 plus 3 over 5, okay, minus 35 over 12 when we rearrange it. So what do we do from here? So we have to look for the LCM of 2, 5, and 12. And how do we do that? So for 2, for 5, for 12, so we can start with prime factors. So let's start with 2. 2 can go in 2, that is 1. It can go in 5, it will have a remainder, we repeat it. 2 in 12 is 6. Okay, so we can still use 2. We have 1, it's impossible. We have 3, so we can't use 2 again. Okay, we don't have any number that can divide 2, so let's use 3. So here is 1, 5, 1. Okay, so what we have here is 5. We have 1, we have 1, we have 1. So we have reduced it to 1, 1. So what do? We multiply all these factors. So we have 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. So for 2 times 2 is 4. For 4 times 3 is 12. For 12 times 5. So we have this to be 60. Okay, so here we have 60. So we start dividing. 2 in 60 is 30. 30 times 7, okay, plus, when you divide 60 by 5, you have it to be 12. We times it by 3, okay. So here we have minus. So when we divide 60 by 12, we have 5. We times it by 35, okay. So here we have 30 times 7, this is 210. When we multiply this, plus 12 times 3, we have this to be 36, okay, minus, so when we multiply this, so this is 10, okay, this is 60. For 5 times 3 is 15, plus 1, that is 16. Sorry, 5 times 5 is 25. Sorry, 5 times 5 is 25. We have 5, we have 2. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 2, that is 7. So we have 175. So we have addition, we have subtraction. So we do our addition first. So what do we add? 210 plus 36. So we have this to be 246 minus 175. Okay. So here when we subtract this, 246 minus 175. So we have this to be 1. Okay. We have this to be 7. So we have 71 divide 60. Okay. So for 71 divide 60, we convert it to a mixed fraction. So we have one with number 11 over 60. Thank you very much.